In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView for synthetic indices, a powerful tool that can greatly enhance your trading experience. Whether you're a seasoned trader or someone who's just starting to dip their toes into the world of synthetic indices, this guide will pave a clear path for you to follow. First things first, let's get started by accessing TradingView through deriv. Begin by logging into your deriv account. If you don't already have an account, signing up is easy and free. Once you're in your Traders Hub, head over to the Tools menu. Here you'll find an option labeled Trading View, which you'll click to load the charts. This step is crucial as it's your gateway to a vast suite of analytical tools and resources that TradingView offers. Now that you've accessed TradingView, it's time to find and load the synthetic indices you're interested in. Take a look at the top of the TradingView chart interface and locate the symbol search bar. This is your starting point for finding the synthetic indices. Type in the index you're looking to analyze, for instance, volatility 75, boom index, or crash index. After typing your desired index, a list of possible matches will appear. Simply click on the desired symbol to have its chart displayed. With the chart loaded, it's time to delve into analyzing and customizing it to suit your needs. One of TradingView's greatest strengths is its extensive array of tools for technical analysis. You can apply various indicators that are available and draw trend lines to connect key price points, enabling you to identify trends and potential support or resistance levels. To further tailor your chart view, right-clicking on the chart allows you to choose between different styles, be it candlesticks, lines, or areas. Additionally, you can adjust visual elements such as the colors of bullish and bearish candles. You also have the option to modify or turn off grid lines and change the chart background if you prefer a cleaner visual. To match your trading style and strategy, don't forget to select appropriate time frames, whether it's 1 minute, 1 hour, or daily views. Finally, let's talk about how you can save and manage your charts for ease of access in the future. By clicking the star or Add to List button, you can add your preferred synthetic index charts to a watch list, ensuring you can quickly find them when you need to. Moreover, if you've customized your chart settings beautifully, you don't want to lose them. Fortunately, you can save these settings under a name of your choice and apply them whenever required, making your trading journey not only efficient but personalized to your style. With these comprehensive steps, you're now equipped to use TradingView for synthetic indices effectively. Dive into your analysis and let these tools enhance your trading decisions.